Here we already have the end cap tenon routed onto the end of the top. The top is upside down on a bench, and we have a filler strip here in the dog slot to space the front laminate the appropriate distance away from the inside edge of the slot. I've gone ahead and clamped that in place. I've also set the clamp to act as a stop, so when the router gets to the end of the slot I don't go past my mark. Here you can see I've laid out the amount of material I need to remove. The cavity is 1 7/8" down from the top of the bench and 2 5/16" in from the inside edge of the slot. It's not necessary to route the cavity the entire length of the slot, because the screw, as you can see here, does not extend all the way to the end of the slot. But stops short, because the dog block will go in this area, and it's going to stop against the end of the slot here. So in order to get that measurement, set the whole assembly on the back side of the bench and then measure in from the inside edge of the flange to your tenon shoulder where the end cap will be. My end cap is going to be 2 7/8", so I've set that measurement, and I've gone ahead and make a mark under there. That's where the end of the cavity will be, because the nut block will never move past this point. And the finished cavity.